Webflow Analyze is here, promising to simplify analytics for Webflow users. But $29 a month, does it provide enough value to be worth it? Let's go ahead and find it out. Alright, so here's what we think. So Webflow Analyze is a solid tool for anyone who values convenience, privacy, and quick insights right within the Webflow dashboard. For $29 a month, you are essentially paying for convenience and ease of use. But is it worth it? See, so if you're someone who is running a small to medium-sized company and are already using free tools like Google Analytics, you might find it hard to justify the price. But if you are someone who is working with a team of designers and marketers who prioritizes efficiency and speed of implementation, I think Webflow Analyze is a great tool. Here's what's new and what's beneficial. We have actually plugged it into our site to test out things, and here's what we found out. So once you go ahead and log into your Webflow account, and in the top left corner, once you go ahead and click on this button, you can see the Webflow Analyze dashboard. So right off the bat, you can see all the important metrics like total sessions, total visitors, bounce rate, top events, and metrics of the top pages, top countries, and top languages, and many more. So let us go ahead and discuss the key and important highlights of this tool. So first of all, Webflow Analysis gives you access to all the data and metrics right within the Webflow dashboard, and there is no need to switch between tabs, or there is no need to switch between tools. So it basically discards that hassle. Secondly, unlike any traditional tool that has a problem of delayed reporting, Webflow Analyze, on the other hand, provides real-time data and insights. So this is a game changer for anyone who is working on a fast-paced campaigns or running A/B testing in their site. So optimize on the fly and save time. Thirdly, page-specific data. For the users, have to go to the panel and click on this tab, pages, and you can see all the data. And let's for example, let's go ahead and see the data of the contact page, and you can see all the metrics like total sessions, total unique visitors, top events, previous page, and next page. So these two tabs basically helps you to navigate and figure out the funnel, how people are interacting and how people are flowing and how people are actually engaging with your site. This is, I think, very beneficial. Another key highlight that we like the most is that easy sharing. You can basically go ahead and collaborate effortlessly with just a preview link. So there is no need to set up any account. There is no need to share login credentials. Like for example, in Google Analytics, it's a hassle to share the credentials, or sometimes even you have to share the Google account, which is not very convenient. And another thing that we also like is that you can actually preview the analytics while doing your work in the designer. What I mean by that, once I go ahead and close this inside, and let's say we are working on the contact page, and if you wanted to see the analytics, you don't have to go to the analytics tab. You just have to click on this button on the top right corner, and it basically plugs your analytics to the right side, which is also very functional and beneficial. I think you can see the matrices, and I think this is very helpful when you are doing A/B testing and you are working on something which requires constant monitoring. Last but not the least, it has a built-in privacy compliances. So Webflow Analyze basically keeps all your data within the Webflow ecosystem, and also it has a feature of integrating it with the leading consent management system like FinSuite. Your data is secure and also compliant with the privacy laws. With that said, not everyone is happy about it, and the most common frustration is among the users in the community is that $29 a month, which you have to pay at one time for your annual plan. So many users are asking questions like, why should I use it when I can use Google Analytics for free? And also another hot topic is that it lacks AI features, while Webflow Optimize does have the AI features, which is mind-blowing. So that is another case, and that's why people are also raising questions like that if it's a innovative product or not. With that said, to give you a conclusion of the question, Webflow Analyze is worth it or not, it actually depends. If you are someone who is looking for a seamless and easy to use and quick analytics solution for your Webflow project right within the ecosystem, it's a great tool. But if you're someone who is more of a power user and needs more features and more tools, I think Google Analytics might still be your go-to. So yeah, that is it. That's a quick video, and let us know what you think about Webflow Analyze. Share your thoughts in the comments, and we are also planning a lot of video content and a different style of content. So stay tuned, and see you in the next one.